Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few map and navigation tricks on this watch. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to change or boost your accuracy, the GPS accuracy on your watch. To do that, you need to wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons, then press the back button to open the menu, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the general settings option and tap on it, then scroll down and at the bottom you will see the positioning satellites. And here in this menu you have two options, power save and better accuracy. Better accuracy will basically do what it says. It will improve the accuracy of your GPS, but it will eat more power, your battery life in the process. So if you're going for some hike and you want to have the best accuracy possible, you can select this option, but be aware that it will consume your battery a bit faster. And for example, if you're going on like a hike and you don't care that much about the accuracy of your GPS, you can always select the power save to save more power, which I also recommend to use at sometimes because the battery life on the smartwatches is not that great usually. Okay, another thing you can do is to save some power during the activity recording. So if you start some activity or go to the settings of the activity, so we can tap on start training, and here for example run, tap on settings. Here we have this option called power save settings, and if you tap on it, you have GPS recording rate. By default it will be every second, so it will basically record the GPS data every second, but you can tap on this option and here you can choose between every second, every 1 minute, every 2 minutes and off. Off I don't recommend because it will completely turn it off unless you don't need it. You can turn it off to save as much power as you need, but every 1 minute is a decent compromise, I would say. It won't give you like super accurate GPS location because it won't be recording the data all the time, but it will give it to you every minute, which will save you a lot battery power, but also give you somewhat accurate GPS location, which is a nice compromise, I would say. So you can use that if you need to go for like a longer hike, for example, and you want your watch to last the whole hike. You can select this option to save the battery, but still get the GPS recording data. Okay. Another thing you can do is to change the maps. For example, if you open the navigation menu by swiping left, finding the navigation view and tap on it, here you can change the map. By default, it will be set to automatic, but let's say you want to have some specific map and you want it to be set all the time. You can tap on maps, go down, tap on change, and here you can select map from the list. The list of maps depends on which maps you have installed on your watch. You can download them from the site, drop them on your watch, and basically that's how you install them. And then you can select them right here on the list. I'm gonna select automatic, but you can select anything you like. So that's how you change the map. If you go back, you can also calibrate some stuff. For example, we have the altimeter, and maybe you're not sure it's working properly. You can always calibrate it, and to do that you can tap on calibrate right here. And you have 3 options. You have I'll add my current altitude. Basically, if you select this option, you will need to enter your current altitude if you know it, and the watch will calibrate according to that. Next we have the option let my phone calibrate. It will download the data from your phone and then use it to calibrate the altimeter. And finally we have use watch location. This won't work for me because I don't get the location, the GPS location in the place I am right now, but if you're in the open, you can always use this option to calibrate your altimeter. I'm gonna use the second option, so it's gonna download the data from the phone. After it's done, it will calibrate the watch, which will take, I would say, maybe 10 or 15 seconds. So let's wait until it's done. And here we have it. And another thing we can calibrate is the compass. As you can see, it says that we need to recalibrate it. And to do it, tap on Calibrate. And basically, you need to follow the instructions on the screen. You need to tilt your watch for this ball to go down first, then up, then left, then right. And then we need to make the bars around the watch green. So you need to tilt it a specific way. Like this. And finally, you need to flip it upside down. And once you hear the beep, the compass is ready. And last thing I want to show you is the map orientation. So we can go to the top page of the navigation, press the middle button, press it again to open the menu. And here we have map orientation. And you can choose between north up or track up. If you want the north to be at the top, you select the north up. If you want the track orientation to be, or track to be at the top, you select the track up. I'm gonna select north up, and then we can go back. And basically that's about all. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.